Hey, what's up guys? This is Steve from Powerwork Adventures. Today we're going to be installing this. Alright, we're going to be replacing this plastic piece right here. And we got this from Buckle Up Buttercup Off-Road. Thought this was pretty cool. Let's see what it looks like. I already unboxed it, took a look at it last night. Pretty simple install. And that's going to go right here. Alright, come on with me and we'll put it on. Let's go. Hey guys, so first we're going to take this off, and you come out from this side so you don't break the clips, because I learned that the last time. There's some clips over here on this side. Just kind of pull back with this little tool. Yep. And there's a little clip back here we need to get. That's it, these clips. And these little clips flip in here. I think this is going to fit in just like this. There you go. All right. Looks like you're going to need a little screwdriver. These little plastic pieces, they fit in here like this, I think. Oh. Just like that. Like that. Looks like they give you an extra one. That's cool. Like that. Alright. I'm going to get a screwdriver and we're going to sink this in. Easy install. One started. Oop. That's why they give you extra. Sink them in. This one's going to go in pretty easy. That's it. And that's the install. It's easy peasy. Alright, fit and finish. It was a little tight pulling it in here to put these screws in to line them up, but once you get them, I just kind of used my screwdriver here to elevate it over to do it. It fits really good once you do that. Everything's set and tight. You get these little hooks right here, and it has these little backing on it, this real tiny backing. I don't know if I'm going to use them. They're really, you should probably get them just about tight before you put them in there. And then they're really hard to get down tight, so you can hang stuff on here. That's really cool, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use those. But this is a great little molly panel, and who needs another bottle opener? Of course, I got a bottle opener down here in my little table, but yeah, everybody needs extra bottle opener, and that's it. This is Steve from Powerwork Adventures. Come visit my channel, like and subscribe if you like some of the content, and if your Powerwork means your finished work, go out and hit the trails or go find an adventure. All right.